warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Mr. Hoirul.
Good afternoon, Mr. Wairul.
So now I would like to take a video conversation with one of his students. So let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Permatasari Purba, and I'm from nice class. Sister, would you like to introduce yourself to my teacher?
Thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aida Triana Haliza. Everyone calls me Ai, and I'm from Buckingham class.
Okay.
And how about the title today, sister?
Today we are going to talk about my hobbies.
Oh, what is your hobby?
My hobbies are running, swimming, and writing.
Oh my God, you can running and swimming?
Yes, of
And have you ever follow a competition?
Yes. When I was in senior high school, I ever follow running competitions, especially marathon
Oh.
and sprint.
And did you ever the winner before?
Yes, I ever, but just once
Yeah.
in marathon.
Oh,
Yeah.
and then before you often writing. And how about writing?
I often write in night actually. Usually I write about journal, and then motivation, quotes, yeah, and then poems.
Poem.
Yeah.
Did you ever writing about novel? Do you like novels?
Yes, I like actually. I ever make a novel before, but it's just reading for me.
Oh, just reading.
No, for everyone actually, because I feel shy to post my writing.
So, when will you writing to when will you feel enjoy to write?
Usually, I write in middle night at 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. I don't know why, but I often can't sleep in night. So to spend my time in middle night, I just write.
Yeah. When midnight, always overthinking, and
Yes.
if you overthinking, you can write.
Yes, better than in afternoon actually. And I don't know why. I like to take video in my daily life, and then I make poem, dubbing from my poem. Yeah, and I upload on my Instagram and TikTok.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, thank you. And then, sister, what usually you do when you free time?
Oh, when I free time, I always listening music, and then I always watching movies. And do you like watching movies?
Yes, of course I like, but not too much.
Oh,
And then, what kind of movies do you like?
yes, I like movies.
What kind?
Genre? Or
Yes.
Romance and I always watching movies after we gather, after we to make project, and after we study with my friends always imagine after together I'll go back to my boarding house, and I want to go to sleep, and then imagine and I can sleep as well. So I'm night owl. So yeah, over and in the night I difficult to get a wake up.
Because you always watching movie.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so funny actually.
After this, do you want to continue athlete maybe? Yeah, before you mention athlete, right?
I think no, because actually I won't be a professional teacher in my future. Yes, I like to uh, handle and teaching students. Yeah, but I think I don't have enough knowledge to teach students, and that's why I went here to study more and more.
So great.
Yes.
Okay. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I like
What the genre?
romance from Tyler Swift.
Oh, I like
Your
Taylor.
in your seat.
Oh my god, your voice really good.
Sister, so nice to have conversation with you actually, but
Thank you.
time is over. Thank you for helping me.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching me. My thank, thank you for watching me, Mr. Hoiro. See you.